Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. In this video I will generate a super simple Flask application using the live generator, and once the code is saved on GitHub, I will deploy the product on render using an open source tool, which is this Python wrapper built on top of the API provided by the render deployment platform. For newcomers, Render it's a Heroku-like platform with many features and decent pricing. You can use it for free if you want to deploy static websites, and they have some good pricing for the dynamic services written in Python, Go, or Ruby. Let's access the app generator. For newcomers, the app generator it's a free tool that we can use it even without an account. Knows how to build dynamically web applications. After we select the design and the backend framework, the platform will provide us the code in two formats. The first one is the zip archive, and also the sources are uploaded to GitHub for later reference. In this case, I will choose Adminator, which is an open source design provided by ColorLib. The product looks super nice. We can check out the demo here. Has this colorful design, and many of our users ask for the support regarding this kit, and also the integration into AppSeed. So we decided to provide it for free. The license is MIT, so you can based on this you can incorporate the source code into commercial projects without any costs. Okay, so let's proceed with our demonstration. So now the design is selected. I will choose Flask for this. I will keep here in the customization project page the defaults. We can customize the database and also the deployment, but for this I will keep the defaults and hit the generate button. Okay, now the server accept our request, and we should be able to download the product in zip archive. The server first provides the zip archive, and we can download it and use it right away. But just to use the live deployer to render, we need GitHub repository, because the deployer takes an URL as an argument. I will explain the syntax once we have the sources available. So the product is almost the upload is almost finished. So we can access the generated code base. We can see here that this file, for instance, was generated 1 minute ago. So this is the live generator. We have a new product, and we can proceed to the live deployment. Okay, now I will say a few words about the deployer. Basically, the deployer is written in Python. We will migrate the tool to other languages like Node.js once the is fully stable. At this moment, the tool works. It's super minimal, has some basic options. So at this point, knows how to check the connection with the render platform. If we are not providing the environment for the tool, this check will informs us that the connection is not good. So the tool requires in the environment only the render API key and the owner ID, which is optional. In case we are not providing the owner ID, the tool knows how to interrogate the application and get the default owner ID. Okay, other options are the render builder used for React or Vue.js kits for the compilation, and also the debug flag which informs the tool to provide more information in the CLI during the execution. In this case, we don't care. So let's check the connection using the check argument. Let me increase the font just to make it more visible. Okay, so the check argument tells us that the connection to the render API is cool. If we call the deployer without any arguments, we will see printed in the console all the available commands. So in order to deploy this newly generated code base, we need to call the deployer with the Flask argument, and the tool asks for the repository URL and also the entry point, which defaults to this value. Let's do this. I will provide the URL of the repository. Okay, and I will provide also the run.app, which is the common entry point for all Flask application provided by AppSeed. So once the server accepts the request, we should see here on the render dashboard the new service. Okay, I will push the request to the platform and check out the runtime log. So the deployment ID is this one, and the service will be available at this address. Let's go here to the render platform, and we can see that we have a deployment in progress. Let's check out the compilation log and monitorize the build. In the same way, we can using the app generator, we can generate full stack keys that uses React in the front end, and other cool kits like soft dashboard material kit. This one is super nice. And other kits that uses Django and Flask as a backend frameworks. In case we want to go with React frontend, we have other options like Node.js, Django, and Flask. So there are plenty of options. Feel free to play around with the generator, and as mentioned before, the service is free, and the generated code we can check here. That is released under the MIT license, so the license is super nice, and you can incorporate the code into commercial projects. Let's go back to the render dashboard and see how it goes. We can see that the service is live, the compilation was successful, and we can see here in the console only green green messages, which is super cool. Let's access the UI. We can see that is the same as in the demo. Okay, let me create a new user. The application is not shipped with any default users, so we need to create one in order to pass the login. Okay, and here I am using a super simple password. Okay, so we are good to go. We are live, and from this moment we have the source code. Feel free to fork the repository generated by the platform and use it in your project. So guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. Generator, it's a free service. Also, we are super close to the Black Friday offer that starts on 15th November, and we will provide some really nice things to the community. Thanks for watching again. Let us know what you think. In case anyone needs support, just access the support page and use the coordinates listed on the page. This is the official email. And in case anyone needs one-to-one assistance, join Discord and ask for support. Guys, thanks for watching again, and as always, I wish you all a super day. Bye.